It's bath time. We're going to bath them before we go overseas. And who's first? Who's first?
I know who's waiting anxiously for his bath.
Who's first, Dougie?
Ready for his bath, hiding under a table. You ready? It's bath time. Yippee! Benny's ready, aren't you, Benny?
No.
Ready for your bath? Are you ready for your bath? It's going to be fun. Well, we're going back under the table. Oh no, Benny!
Come on, Benny. Where's bye-bye to Dougie?
Hey, Dougie, you're next, you know.
Good boy. Good.
All right.
Good boy.
Oh, wait.
Benny, good boy.
Benny,
Lay down.
are you ready for your bath?
Beautiful.
Hey, Dougie. Dougie. All right, let's go. One down. One to go. Who's all clean and fresh? Who's all clean and fresh?
Take some of this water, put it on the plants. Come on, come on. I know you will. Come on, Dougie Doo. Look, Vinny's extremely happy with himself. Good boy, you tell him. Tell him. Come on, Dougie.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Dougie Doo.
Ready?
No.
We'll have a bath time. You smell delicious.
Come here,
You're a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, yes, he's a good boy. Come on, Dougie Doo. Come on, Dougie Doo. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Shake hands. Let's go. Come on.
Be useful work. What do you reckon, Ben?
He's so heavy. Wow.
Look, your ball's in there.
There you go.
Dougie Doo.
I know, I lied. Yes, Vinny.
Ben's like, ah.
All right. Gentle, get the water right.
Get your ball. He's too stressed. Ready? Hang on, I'll lift you up. Good boy. Good boy. Hey. That's better. That's normally what we do, isn't it?
Right, so we're just about to go. Just finalising our luggage. Suitcase, everything packed in here, shoes and bits and bobs. We've got 3 suitcases, one each. And that's just, it's amazing how many cords you need for phones and computers and stuff like that. We're just leaving, aren't we,
Yep.
Jack?
We are heading to the airport.
We're heading
Yep.
to the airport, but we're going to stay at a hotel for one night,
Half a night.
half a night,
Yeah.
to get like 4 hours sleep or whatever.
I don't reckon you'll sleep. You'll be like lying there with your eyes shut, but you won't be
Yeah.
sleeping. It's
Yeah.
too exciting.
Yeah, true.
I think I'll just lay on top of the bed and watch TV and doze.
Yeah,
Because you don't want to like fully go to sleep.
I know.
Because
No.
you'll be like
This
jet
is the
lagged before
tricky-
you go.
This is the tricky bit. It's when you fly early in the morning, it makes it really tricky to navigate when to sleep.
Yeah, at least you'll be getting into their time zone, kind of. Like if you stay awake,
Yeah.
you'll almost like transition into their time zone.
Yep.
earlier,
Yep.
maybe. Because remember when we went in 2019, we did the same.
Yeah.
We were awake for like
4,000
nearly
hours.
50 hours, I think.
That was ridiculous. You're going to relax.
Yeah.
You're on
You
holidays.
can leave dishes in the sink, Jack, and not make your bed.
Oh wow. Oh wow. No, I'll do the military bed tuck, so I can't get into a different room.
And you can wear your shoes inside.
I'll make chicken and rice for dinner.
Jeez. You're so lucky I brought you up the way I brought you up.
Chicken and rice and tight bed sheets. No. Yeah.
And give the dogs lots of love.
Gonna miss the boys.
Yeah, we're going to miss them.
Yeah.
FaceTime you like last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, yeah.
Yeah, you can say hello to the dogs because
I can do puppy talk from across the other side.
Across the ocean. Thank you, Jack, for chauffeuring us there.
that's alright.
Oh, we've been dropped off. Well, you're staying for dinner.
Yeah.
But we are literally, I reckon we're almost on the runway. Actually really, really close to the airport. And
You want a carpet, Jack?
No.
I'll have a cup of tea. That'd be nice. And do you know what? To be honest, it's pretty functional. That's all you want.
You don't get the other room though.
But here's the secret funny thing. The door was left open, so this is the room next door, which is really bizarre. And for some reason, this room, actually those towels haven't been changed. Do you know what? I'm wondering whether they have even finished this.
Chase lounge.
Yeah. So this is the room next door, which is really bizarre. I can't understand why we've got the double room. Oh, let's have a look.
Dilly
Green tea.
Just some Earl Grey. That'd be nice. Yep. We'll have to watch the planes land.
Saw one land just before.
Yeah, right.
There's one.
Oh yeah.
They kind of land behind the buildings. You don't see.
Ah, okay.
Hello.
Hey, Mum.
We're heading off to.
Well, we're not.
No, we're
I'm going to head
not.
off back home.
You're heading off home.
Same.
Not to a pub. Oh, right after. But me and Dad enjoy apple crumble. Mm-hmm. We are going upstairs because we're staying here tonight, and this is the mantra, and we're just having apple crumble.
Wow. We're in the Woodlands Restaurant and Bar.
Yeah. And in Tullamarine. In Tullamarine, which is right literally next to the airport. And we have to get up at 2 in the morning.
Because your flight's at 5, isn't it? Or 4.
5
or 4?
5:15. 5:15.
No, mate, you come.
Yeah, take a bite. Tell your
Let me
audience.
hold it.
Tell your audience. How does it taste?
Try. I can't get the ice cream though.
Wow, oh, thank you, yeah. Yep, just plonk it there. Thanks, mate. Oh, yum, thank you. How is it, Mum?
It's nice. Tell me what you're going to do.
I'm going to put, so I got an affogato, but I didn't get it with the liqueur. I didn't get it with the liqueur because I'm driving and I don't want to fall asleep.
Yeah, fair call.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hopefully we get it all in.
You did better than Sally.
That was pretty good.
Sally made a mess of hers.
Mine kept somehow blowing out the sides.
Enjoy.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, happy.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Mum.
They have free
I'm gonna
minties
miss
at the
you
hotel.
guys. I'm not missing you.
You
You're
won't miss
coming
me.
with me.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye, Mum. See you in 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Bring me
Ciao,
back some.
Mum.
Bring me back something.
Bye, Mum and Dad.
Oh,
Goodbye, Mum.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye,
you're
Dad.
going to be sad.
Be safe.
Thank you. We'll see you in 3 weeks.
1 a.m.
We're just packing our suitcase to go downstairs and catch the shuttle to the airport. Probably can only see the reflection of me, but it's going to see. Restless 4 hours.
Sure.
We've just checked in. It's now, I think, 2 in the morning, just a bit after 2.
1:53.
There we go. We've just checked in and we're heading to the departure area, and now we've got to sit there for quite a few hours
Get a
and
coffee.
get a coffee.
Need a coffee.
We've got our tickets and everything's checked in and we're all happy, and see you later. I'm very tired though. Just letting you know it's very early. She goes, let me know when you're in Italy at 2 in the morning. And I'm having a long break to wait me stop. Waiting at gate 9. And there's a lot of very bleary-eyed people here. We've had our coffee. You've had a bite to eat.
Yeah, that was a bit.
And we're very tired, and we're really looking forward to watching a movie, as you do at 5:15 in the morning. I'm sure there's people in the world that do that. Actually, when I was on night shift, we used to watch movies at all hours of the night.
Yeah.
We just got to sit here for the next 3 hours and wait.
Yep.
I mean, to be fair, we look chirpy at the moment because we've just had a coffee. I'd hate to see what we look like in the film. Further down the track, we're going to look very
It's a nice strong
tired.
coffee.
Yeah, that's what's keeping us chirpy, isn't it? What are we going to look like in 3 hours?
2 bags. Oh, 2 bags.
What's your thought on this?
100% nice.
How's comfortable are the seats?
Cushions too.
Yeah. And the pillows are bigger. Where is your pillow?
And look down there. Watch.
What are we looking at? Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, and the seats are more comfortable too. Like they're pretty padded.
There's way more room. And
Yeah.
The seats are 1,000 times nicer.
Yeah.
I think this has got the bendy side.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah. Plus we've got these. Pretty comfortable. Although we were over there and they swapped us. But that's okay.
your glasses are dirty.
Are they?
They're all smashed up.
Oh, I can still see through them. We haven't taken off yet, have we?
Yeah, we're flying now.
We've survived the 14-hour flight and we've just arrived in Dubai. We've quickly grabbed a ice long black, which is called an Americano, 40 degrees, and it is very hot here at the moment. We've got another hour and a half, I think, and then we're off again. So far, so good. It was a really good landing, though, wasn't it? It was unbelievable. We had 4 pilots on that plane.
Upgrade was worth it.
Yeah, premium economy was really good, really good. We are absolutely knackered. This is our bathroom, by the way. So this is the Crown Plaza in Milan, and it's right next to the airport. I mean, it's pretty good as far as it's clean. Got everything you need for the place. Coffee, tea, it's got kettle, water, bed. We're pretty stuffed, aren't we? That was a lot, because that was pretty much, we flew.
Running around.
Let me turn around. Here he goes, the last 24 hours, and because it's from Australia, it's such a long flight. We left the airport at Tullamarine at 2 for Dubai at 5:30 a.m. at Tullamarine in Melbourne. 14 hours later, we got to Dubai. Then we sat around there for 2.5 hours. Had trouble with the Wi-Fi. Finally got onto the Wi-Fi. We didn't want to use an eSIM just for 2 hours, 2.5 hours over there. So we sort of used the airport Wi-Fi, which then says unsecured. So then we're great. After that, we jumped on another plane, which actually was the same plane at the same terminal that we just landed in with Emirates.
In economy, not premium.
Yeah, economy. What a difference. We had extra leg room and that flight was 6.5 hours. So from Dubai to Milan. It arrived in Milan at 8:30-ish. By the time we got out, it was about 8:30, 8:45.
It was a symphony of sneezing, coughing,
in the plane.
your seat getting punched forward.
Yeah, that was a real big difference, economy to premium economy.
Yeah.
And the other thing, which was the killer, was as everyone knows, the luggage. We waited for 1 hour watching the suitcases go round and round.
Getting stuck.
Yeah. Finally got our suitcases, thank goodness. None were lost. 45 minutes to get a shuttle from Milan airport to here. But we waited for 45 minutes. The road trip was about 4 minutes.
Yeah, just around the corner.
Yeah, but it's on freeway, so you can't really walk to it from the airport. Plus,
That's it there.
yeah, let me show you. That's it behind me. What is it? Oh, there you go. It's nearly 11 o'clock at night now. So it's just, we're absolutely knackered. We're going to have a really nice hot warm shower, a nice cool drink, and go to sleep. Over the last 2 days, we've probably had broken sleep of about 5 hours. Like 2 hours, 1 hour, half an hour. So, but you know what? We're here.
Soldiering on.
We did it. Yay! What an amazing sleep. It's 6:40, I think, a.m. You can see our suitcases have literally just landed, and we slept so well. I reckon an explosion could have happened outside the door and I wouldn't have even woken up. I'm ready to have, excuse me for yawning, but I've just literally woken up. I've made my cup of tea. I'm going to have a cup of tea. And I'm going to have a good little session at the gym. Look at my hair. Oh my goodness. Good little session at the gym, and we're going to have a really good day today because today we actually go to Lovedale. We'll go and get some breakfast downstairs. I believe when we arrived last night it was raining. It was really wet last night. And how warm was it last night?
It was very warm.
And raining, wasn't it?
Yeah.
How did you sleep?
Cool.
Do you feel refreshed?
Oh, I still feel what? A new pie bus.
It's a long trip coming from Australia, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, it's a really long trip. Here's our lovely room. It's like we just arrived and went boom. We just landed, sort of thing. I suppose that's what you do at the hotel. But yeah, we will have a good day today, and we'll meet all the family, and we'll take you along with us.